So, money ang aorta, ascending aorta, and arc of aorta. So, from the arc of aorta, going to the right, kay ang brachiocephalic, then to the left, kay subclavian, then left common carotid. So, from your right brachiocephalic, kay right common carotid, then right subclavian artery. So from there, mommy ang rib. So diri kay axillary artery. And then from here where basta na diha ang teres major kani, so mo branch brachial din ni brachial artery. Then until here kay mo branch sad siya ang artery to the radial and the ulnar artery. Then dire malibog na ko dire ikaw na dire.
Wait, you didn't specify the branch.
Unya na.
Okay, unya na.
Okay,
so onto your radial nini mo, and then this is your ulnar artery. So
This one. What's this one?
we're not yet. Okay.
not yet.
So ulnar artery. So this is your. Dili maklaro imong common interosseous.
Di maklaro na dire kani.
Okay. So kani imong common interosseous artery kani. And then this one that goes down is your anterior interosseous artery. Yung kani bitaw na mo adto sa luyong.
Kani si A29.
Kani si A29 na IX. That is your posterior interosseous artery. So going down your ulnar na branch here forms your superficial arterial palmar branch here. And then
Superficial.
so mobalik ko sa radial artery, so radial. Kaya imong diri na side when you go down is your superficial arterial palmar branch of your radial na artery. And then this one goes to the back, to your posterior, as your arteria principis pollicis. Dili na imong, dili na makaro inyong radialis pollicis. And then, so here, diba, mo forms an arc. This is now your superficial arterial palmar arc. And then, this is your metacarpal arteries. Here's the metacarpals. And then your digital arteries in the fingers. And then, so, we'll go to the branches. So, diba, here, imong axillary arteries. So, imong superior, so, niyan imong superior thoracic artery. Here, yeah, this one going to your acromion is your thoracoacromial artery. And then here is your lateral, wait. Just asa kay itong lateral thoracic. Kanang taas, diba? Kanini. So, imong lateral thoracic artery. And then, imong brachial artery, kasi ba your brachial artery is here, going down. So, naa imong superior ulnar collateral artery and your inferior ulnar collateral artery.
This one, superior?
Kini mo branch. Here na, kita ka here, kay brachial, kay mo branch here to the side. That is your superior ulnar collateral artery. Kini here.
Yeah, and then
this one here is your inferior ulnar collateral artery. That's it. Vein. Okay, so your vein. So,